You waited years for new headphones, but what if the upgrade is mostly invisible? Today we're talking about the AirPods Max 2, and this time we're not doing hype. We're doing the real details in a simple way. First, the design. Nothing changed. You still get aluminum ear cups, the same soft mesh headband, the same heavy feel on your head. No folding, no lighter weight, no rudisain. If someone used the old AirPods Max, they will not notice the difference. And honestly, that's disappointing for a 2026 product. Now let's talk about what actually changed. Inside, Apple added the H2 chip. This is the brain of everything. With this chip, the headphones process sound in real time. That means better clarity, better balance, and smarter noise control. Noise cancellation is now stronger, up to around 1.5 times better. Low sounds like airplane engines and traffic are reduced more effectively. Transparency mode is also improved. Voices sound more natural, less artificial. So yes, the outside stayed the same, but inside it became much smarter. Now the sound quality. This is where you will feel the upgrade. The drivers are still custom Apple dynamic drivers, but now with better processing. You get deeper bass, but controlled. Clearer vocals. More detail highs. Everything sounds cleaner. There is also spatial audio with head tracking. So when you watch movies, the sound moves with your head. And now, through USB-C, you get lossless audio. Up to 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. But remember, this is only with a cable. Wireless is still limited. Now let's talk about connectivity. Bluetooth is improved, but Apple still uses AAC codec. No DAC, no aptX. So if you expected high-end wireless audio formats, Apple is still doing things its own way. Microphones are also upgraded. There are multiple microphones working together. They detect outside noise. They monitor sound inside your ears. And they focus on your voice during calls. With voice isolation, even in noisy places, your voice sounds clear. Now the smart features. This is where things get interesting. You get live translation. You can hear another language translated in real time. Conversation awareness lowers your music when you start talking. Adaptive audio automatically adjusts noise control based on your environment. You can even control Siri with head gestures. So yes, your headphones are now doing more than just playing music. Now the battery. Still around 20 hours. No big improvement. In 2026, this is average, not impressive. Fast charging helps a little. But overall, this part feels outdated. Here is something personal. If you're using cheap headphones and you upgrade to this, you will feel a huge difference. But if you already have the first AirPods Max, this will not feel like a big jump. And I think this is where many people will feel confused because they expected something new. But Apple focused on making it smarter, not different. If you want premium sound, strong noise cancellation, and smart features, this is a great choice. If you want a completely new design, better battery, and big physical changes, you may feel disappointed. At the end, this is the truth. AirPods Max 2 is not about changing how it looks. It's about changing how it thinks. And now the question is simple. Do you care more about design or intelligence? Tell me in the comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.